Welcome, today I am with Honor 50 Lite and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, we can use shutter in two different ways. The first one, we can just take photo like that, very obvious, but we can also click and hold to take the series of the photos. It's also called the burst shot. You can also take photos by using the volume buttons. So we can press once volume up or volume down and click and hold each to take also the series of the photos. So basically the volume buttons works the same like the shutter. Okay, right now when you click like that on the screen, you are able to adjust the brightness level. So as you can see, you can increase or decrease brightness level by moving this sun icon. To adjust automatically, just tap on the screen once. When you click in this place, you are able to add different filters. They change color and the temperature on our photos. So we can find a few different presets. If you want to take photo with this one, for example, just click on the shutter. And if you want to switch off, just pick the original, the first one right here. Right now we can go for the more modes when we can find, for example, stickers. So as you can see right now, we are able to swipe like that and we'll get the different stickers that we can attach to the screen. We can click, hold and then drag wherever you want. So for example, I'm gonna put it right here, tap on the shutter to take photo, and when we go for the gallery, as you can see in the sticker, the sticker appears right here. And also we can find here very different stickers. You can go right here and find all of them when you tap just like that. And when you want to turn it off, just click on the X. And the second option from the more modes, it will be the high resolution mode. So this mode allows us to get more details on the photo. So basically, let's take photo with this one. And then let's switch for the standard photo mode. Okay, right now we can make a comparison. So this photo was taken with the normal mode and the photo looks really good. But right now we can switch to the high resolution mode, and as you can see, right now we got definitely more details. This photo is definitely more sharper than the previous one, and we can also zoom in much closer. So one more time, just take a look. This one looks definitely better. And honestly, is one of the best high resolution mode that I can see in the phones, because we tested like Samsung Galaxy A53 5G or other this mid-range phone, and this high resolution modes looks terrible honestly. But in this one, that's very nice. I can even say that it's one of the most useful features that you can find in this phone. Actually, I'm surprised. Okay, we can also continue, go forward, and we can enter for the settings, and when we can enable the camera timer. So we can get 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's set, for example, for the 2 seconds, click on the shutter. And as you can see, after 2 seconds, the photo was taken. Okay, so that's all my favorite tricks for this Honor 50 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.